this given question 49 p square minus 36, compare with the formulas that you have learned. Now look at these three formulas. Which formula is similar to the given question among these three?
So the
A square minus b square. So you can use that formula here, a square minus b square. So you write down somewhere a square minus b square here. So you should write the given question in the form of a square minus b square. But it is not like that. It is not completely square. But 49 is a square number, 36 also a square number. What you can write this 49 p square can be written as
the 7 square.
7p
The 7 is 7 in the
p whole
the
square.
7 square.
Okay, 7p into 7p. So you will get 7p into 7p, 49p square only. 7p into 7p, 49p square only. 36 can be written as 6 into 6.
6 square.
So that means it is 6 square. Now, just you can write the formula now. This is the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula. So now what is a square minus b square factorization? It is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So now compare now, what is the value of a? Comparing these two. Compare this one and this
The
one.
7p.
Ah.
The value of A is 7. A is 7p and
B
B
is 6. So after comparing this, you will get a is equal to 7p and b is equal to 6. A square 7p whole square. A is 7p. B square 6 square. B is 6. Now if you substitute this, so a plus b 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6. So a plus b 7p plus 6. A minus b 7p minus 6. So this is the factorization. So we have split this into two factors. First factor is 7p plus 6. Another one is 7p minus 6. The given question is factorize a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. When you look at this question, immediately you will recall one formula. What is that formula? Tell me.
Sir, A square minus 2ab plus B square.
Look at these three terms. We have formula. So what is the formula? So a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can write this as a. What you can write this as?
Sir, A minus B whole, A minus B whole square.
A minus b whole square, not a plus b, because we have a minus here. So therefore a minus b whole square. So that means wherever we find these three terms, we can write like this. So here these three terms similar to this formula. So these three terms together I can write a minus b whole square. I will write here a minus b whole square. These three terms. Then the last term I will write as it is c square. Now we converted this given question into this form. The next step. What is the next step? Look at this. Which formula you can recall by looking these two?
Sir, A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus
We have formula a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So this is similar to a square minus b square. Compare this one. So when you compare this one with a square minus b square, so a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we have this formula. We have, so a square minus b square is equal to a plus b. Now a value is same as a minus b. Look at this. First term is same as a minus b. And then second term. So look at this second term. This is same. Comparing this a and with this inside this whatever that is there, you write down what is a value is equal to. What is
A minus B.
in place of a you should write a minus b. In place of b, what you can write? In place of b,
C.
c. So
Sir, A
write this in the formula. 1 second. A value you can write in place of a, you can write a minus b. In place of b, you can write plus c. Is it clear to all of you? A value you are writing a minus b. B value you are writing c. Again, a value you can write a minus b, then write this minus sign.
A minus B.
B value is c. B value is c. So this is the factorization of the given expression. This expression factorized like this: a minus b plus c, a minus b minus c is the factorization of the given question. The given question is like this: m to the power 4 minus 256. So it is the term with the fourth term. Can you express this also with the fourth power like this?
Sir, m square plus 4.
Factorize this using prime numbers. 2 ones are, then 2 twos are, 2 eights are. Okay, 2 6s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Again 2 1s are, 2 6s are. 2 8s are. Then
2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are.
so how many? 2 4 6 8. So that means we want fourth power. So you can write m to the power 4. Instead of writing this is, you write it as 4 4 4 4. 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4 you can write it, isn't it? So because I want the fourth power only, because I want the same power with the 256 also. So the power exponent here, m to the power 4, here also I wanted, so 4 to the power 4 only I wanted, 4 only wanted in the place. So now look at this, I will rewrite this in the another form. We don't have a formula related to a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, but we have a formula a square minus b square.
Sir, a square minus b square.
I want this question to be in this form. So I want to express this in the form of a square minus b square. What I will write? So m square whole square. M square whole square. And this one also.
Minus 16 square.
4
Sir,
square.
minus 16 square. Sir,
Okay,
minus
4
16
square whole square. I can write like this. 4 square whole square or 16 square. Both are same. Now look at this. It is in the form of a square minus b square. This is a square. This is b square. If you want, you can write this is 16 square also. So a square minus b square, we have a plus b into a minus b. So now compare this one. What is a value? A value here. What is a value?
Sir, m square.
A square is there, m square whole square is there. So you can write in place of a as m square, in place of b you can write 4 square.
4 square of 16.
See, this is square and this is square is same. So a means m square and this is square and this is square is same. So in place of b you have to write 4 square. That's all. So therefore, so a means you have to write m square. Plus b means you have to write 4 square. Then again a means m square minus 4 square. Now you can further simplify or not? Is it possible to simplify further? See, we don't have formula like this a square plus b square. A square plus b square we don't have. But here look at this. This is again in the form of a square minus b square. Isn't it? M square minus 4 square is in the form of a square minus b square. So we have m square minus 4 square. So same. So let me write this m square plus 4 square as it is.
Simplify m square minus 4 square.
M square minus 4 square you write as it is. But this you apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means m plus 4. A minus b means m minus 4. So this much is the factorization. So you have used the formula here a square minus b square. So this part we have written like this, m plus 4 into m minus 4. And this one we have written as it is. This you write m square plus 16 into m plus 4 into m minus 4. You can write like this, m square plus 16 into m plus 4 into m minus 4. So both are same only.